Alright, what's up guys? My name is Felix. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm right here joined with, what's your name, sir?
Paul from Old Memories, South LA. Edward from the Bomb Shop.
Frank from Eastside, Old Memories.
Having our 5th annual Old Memories South LA car show. It's a fundraiser in order to raise money for the 8th graders right here that go to Montebello Christian School. We're going to raise money so that they could go to Washington, D.C. come next year. It's $2,700 a person. So with this car show, the lowrider community, the bomb community, all the vendors, the DJs are getting together so that we could raise money for them. We're selling menudo, we're selling pancakes, we're having a Disneyland raffle. We're also raffling off by Ibanez is giving us tune-up for a bomb, a 216 235 motor. We're having vendors coming out here donating some of their items, as you can see there, from hats to shirts to everything else that the vendors sell. So we've been blessed, and thank God everybody's out here, brother.
Anything you want to say? Or?
Yes, sir. Have them. He's one of our other sponsors.
Yeah,
Edward Villa. I have my Facebook site and my website, and from the Bomb Shop. I'm here to support Paul and South LA Old Memories.
Brother Frank.
Frank from the Eastside chapter of Old Memories. We're here to support South LA. We support each other in everything we do. And we want to help the community as much as we can, and you know, everything else.
Guys, welcome here to this car show in Montebello. This is the 6.3 Impala, as you guys can see it. We're right here, getting with the rims. We also represent for the people. We also have the hydros. We jump on it as well. We also get to the back. You guys can see the back. And baby likes to cry. And we'll do it for everybody. So you guys enjoy it. This is a 6.3 Impala. Here we also have the murals. And this actually represents what we derive through South Central day in, day out. Represents how we also entertainment. We got Staples Center, we got Dodger Stadium. We have basically popularity, what happens when we drink too much, police gets involved. So we have to keep it here, we keep it all safe. We work on projects, fixing our cars. Instead of doing alcohol, instead of doing drugs, we fix our vehicles. And we also have memories of people left behind, the people that represent the Marines, your dog loved ones, and your moms. And that's what it's all about. Low riding is about taking care of familia, helping the community, raising money for us. And that's what we invent ourselves with this car club. Elegant style. You can see it right there, that's elegance. Thank you guys for coming around.
How you doing, everybody? We're out here at the Old Memories Breakfast. My name is Moon. This is my 71 Vega, regional owner. And we're all here having a good time. Come on down, get some tickets. Pretty good raffles, good ambiance. Have a nice day.
My name's Eddie Solar. I'm the founder of Old Memories. Old Memories started in 1978 and it's been going on since then. They're going to go on 40 years next year. And they're celebrating the 40th year for South LA, the founding chapter of Old Memories. Yeah, so we've been doing good and it's getting stronger. More chapters are getting are going on, and everybody's, you know, together, you know, and that's the main thing. Be united, because if you're not united, you're gonna fall apart. Oh, that's what keep Old Memories going. That's united. All the chapters, you know, are united, and that's one of the good things, you know, because united you stand, divided you fall.
How's it going? My name is Oscar Relas. I am the original founder, Duke's Car Club, late 50s. Of course, Eddie's one of them too. Eddie's the other founder of the Dukes with me. And the third guy was Alfonso Cuellar. We started the club, the social club, in 1958, 59, I would say. And it's one of the oldest car clubs, lowrider car clubs in the world, besides Old Memories. And I'm part of the Relas family. You probably heard of the Relas family. My brothers, myself. Like Eddie says, unity, you know, in the lowrider movement. That was all about. Supporting the lowrider communities like we've been doing for over 55 years. Long time doing this. And we're proud of it. We're proud to say that we are true lowriders, me and Eddie. And we've been friends since we were kids, me and Eddie. We go back since the early 50s.
63 years.
53 years we go back, me and Eddie. Same neighborhood, went to the army together, grew up together, went to elementary school together, went to junior high together. We're like brothers. So this is a great show for Home Memories, Southern Cal. And I'm happy to be here with Eddie, like always. And we represent the lowrider community.
Hey, what's up? My name's Art.
My name's Javier.
Hello, my name is Hyman. We're Oldies Southeast chapter. The Oldies Southeast started about a year ago, and we started a chapter out here after San Fernando and San Diego chapters. We're looking to start something out here locally in Los Angeles. We did have a Los Angeles chapter. Javier was in the Los Angeles chapter, and pretty good club. Has been around since the early 70s. And we're out here just supporting, you know, the Oldies Car Club, or Old Memories Car Club. Here's Dave, another member of ours.
What's up?
Thank you for doing this video for us, and hope to support you guys soon.
Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.